This thing is awesome. I'm gonna go all kinds of Bob Ross on this. So, what do you think? Okay, that's a penis. What? No, it's not. It's a tree. Are you kidding? It looks just like frankenbeans. What are you talking about? It's obviously a dude's Johnson, and it looks like he needs to go to the doctor. Seriously, I don't see that at all. I don't see how you can hang Long Don Silver on the bathroom wall and not notice it. Really? Long Don Silver? All right, what's all this stuff up at the top? It's clouds. And I take it the stuff down at the bottom is supposed to be roots? Well, yeah, of course. You know roots don't grow like testicles, right? Hey, can you come here for a second? Don't. Seriously, trouser snake. What's up? Oh, twig and berries. Hey folks, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up or maybe share it with somebody else who could use a good laugh today. You could also subscribe to the channel, lots of other great videos there. Yep, or maybe just leave a nice little comment below. Or even a mean comment, because honestly, every little bit helps. Truth. Oh, and if you like my shirt, you can find it on Amazon or Teespring in a variety of colors and sizes. That's right. I think I'll keep it.